Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of making the Norway flag. If you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe and to the channel. Welcome to the family. Let's get on with it. On the previous video we had reached to this point, so we are continuing to make the Norway flag. We pick a blue bead from the right, blue bead from the left, and then we crisscross on the blue bead from the left, like that. If it's your first time to see this channel, to come across this kind of tutorials, welcome to the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're just joining us, kindly go to part 1 of making the Norway flag so that you can be able to get to this point, because we are halfway there. So we proceed, put the fishing line through the next blue bead like that. I hope it's clear. You pick a blue bead from the left, a blue bead from the right, and then you crisscross on the blue bead from the right. If you have any questions, any suggestions, kindly don't forget to leave them on the comment section below. You should have something that looks like this. So we proceed. You pick a white bead on the right, a blue bead on the right, and another white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. You should have something that looks like this. Sorry, that was a mistake. We're supposed to put a red bead, so we pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the right, and then a white bead on the left. Mistakes are bound to happen when you're doing beadwork, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can make mistakes, and as long as you learn from them, you will be able to continue smoothly. So that was how it's supposed to be. So we continue. You pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left, like that. You should have something that looks like this. I hope you're all together. You pass the fishing line through the next blue bead like that. You pick a red bead from the right, we pick a white bead on the right, a blue bead on the left, then we crisscross on the blue bead from the left, like that. You should have something that looks like this. For all of you who have subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. Thank you for keeping tuned. We will keep making more tutorials and showing you more samples of the beadworks and artwork that we come across. We've picked a blue bead on the right, a blue bead on the left, and crisscrossed on the blue bead from the left. And then you pass the fishing line through the next blue bead like that. And then you continue by picking a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left, like that. Should have something that looks like this. You continue, you pass the fishing line through the next blue bead, you pick a red bead from the right, white bead from the left, then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. You should have something that looks like that. You pass the fishing line through the next blue bead, and then you pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the right, like that. I hope we are all together by now. You should have something that looks like this. So from here we just repeat the same process until we are able to get to the desired length. For those of us who haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe and share these videos with people that you know might want to learn beadwork, so that they can come join the family. Patience is key when you're doing beadwork, so you need to be patient and also very keen so that you don't mess with the colors, because if you mistakenly put a wrong color, you'll have to undo all your work, which takes time and is tedious. So you have to try and stay sharp. So you pick a white bead from the left and you crisscross on it like that. Yeah, blue bead, crisscross like that. Proceed. Yeah. Remember guys, we're just repeating the same process. So if you are keen enough to catch up, you will learn easily. Also, kindly don't forget to check on our previous videos. We have several videos on making flags of countries like Tanzania, UAE, Kenya, and a lot of other countries. So kindly go to our playlist, our videos. You'll see more tutorials on other beadwork.